Don, what are we doing today?
We're becoming E-boys!
Hey. What's up guys, my name is Nico and welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are not following me on Instagram yet, go ahead, my links are going to be down below and it's going to be somewhere on the screen. So for today's video, I'm going to try to turn myself into an E-boy. As you guys know, E-boys are everywhere right now.
I'm not bad.
They're kind of in trend, a lot of attention going towards them. They're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. A lot of people are making videos about them. But I'm not going to do it by myself. I'm going to do it with somebody else. And here he is. It's going to be a good friend of mine.
What's good, y'all?
Donovan Smith. His links are going to be down below if you want to follow him. But yeah. Alright, so me and my good friend in the back, we did a little research before doing this video, what an E-boy looked like. So, we looked at a lot of pictures. We also went to check a definition on Urban Dictionary. I'm going to show you guys the definition right now. So, in Urban Dictionary, it says that an E-boy, a boy who has black painted nails, skates, wears black clothes and chains and beanies, and they sometimes have their hair parted down the middle, and they're usually really pale, but we're really not. They got striped long sleeves or checkered sweater under their t-shirts. But yeah, I'm not going to read all of it, but that's kind of a basic. So I'm not going to read all of it, but that's pretty much the basic blueprint that we're going to go for. As well as we looked at a lot of pictures on Google. I'm going to post them right there so you guys can really tell what the style is. So what we're doing right now is we're going to go out. We're going to go do a little shopping, accumulate some pieces that we think would make a good E-boy fit, and yeah, we're gonna go thrifting and see if we can find anything. We're gonna take you guys with us and let's go.
Rijinsho.
You feel like Nico?
I feel like an E-boy. I feel like I just absorbed the energy, you know? This is a real thing. Sorry guys, not doing good at nail polish, so you're gonna have to forgive me with that one.
So you gotta remember, we're not really E-boys, guys.
Yeah, so we're doing a horrible job. So just bear with us. We will try as hard as we can with this thing. This is the first time I've ever actually put shit on my nails, so.
Rijinsho.
Guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys do enjoy, hit the likes, comments, subscribe down below. Let me know down below as well which outfit do you guys like better, this fit, more lighter, or the goth dark fit. But with that being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys later.